Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comment. So overnight prices are a little bit lower across the board. Beans, meal, corn, and wheat. Meal's a little bit higher. Outside markets, dollars a lower, crude's lower, and we've got stocks opening up possibly a little bit lower. As far as yesterday, we had a big up move, especially in soybeans and corn. Meal made new contract highs, and I think initially, the concern was South American weather. We're continuing to hear somewhere between 15 and 20 million tons lower South American soybean crop, 8 to 10 million tons in corn. That early Argentina corn is pollinating in 100-degree temperatures, and there's talk that early corn yields in Argentina are as much as 50% below normal. Here in the United States, we had snow, and now we have cold temperatures. That we'll see if that has any impact on logistics. The outlook, for the most part, continues to be drier than normal across the U.S. southern plains. And again, by mid-February, we may know what the PDO count is, and a negative PDO count like we have now increases the chance of dry U.S. summer weather. We also had some rumors floating around that China is the biggest short in the soybean market. They have not priced their open sales to either U.S. or Brazil and have lost this 50-cent rally in beans since last week and a $1.50 rally since mid-December. We also note that there's some rumors floating around that China may eventually come in and buy 5 to 7 million tons of U.S. corn. There are a few people that saw yesterday barge basis along the Illinois River in beans go up anywhere from 10 to 15 cents, suggesting we might see some new sales to China on beans as early as today. We also note that Matif rapeseed futures continue to trade higher, Matif corn's higher. In Europe, it seems like their wheat exports are down, and their corn imports are also down. And they could actually feed more wheat, and that could pose a problem as far as feed grain and wheat supplies. We also think that Russia probably will ship less wheat than USDA is forecasting. We also note that in the wheat market, there were rumors yesterday that in their Iraq tender, they may have bought as much as 200,000 tons of hard red winter wheat. We did note yesterday that some of the managed funds came in and bought the grain room. They usually don't come in until 8:30. So we'll see if they come in again today at 8:30 and buy this lower overnight trade. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you would like to be treated.